I could not understand why he did it for me, undeserving as I am. But he did it for me. Now my name is in his book. When he did it for me, it took. When he did it for me, I could not understand why he did it for me, undeserving as I am. But he did it for me. Now my name is in his book. When he did it for me, it took. Well, he told me if I ask him, he would never fail. He's been there beside me, and I'm still here to tell. Sometimes my world's been rattled, but my faith was never shook. What he did for me, it took. When he did it for me, I could not understand why he did it for me, undeserving as I am. But he did it for me. Now my name is in his book. When he did it for me, it took. Now Saul, you persecutor, what was it made you change? Now they call you Paul. What made you change your name? You used to hate those Christians, now you got that Jesus look. He said what he did for me, oh, it took. When he did it for me, I could not understand why he did it for me, undeserving as I am. But he did it for me. Now my name is in his book. When he did it for me, it took. He won't rearrange it, he has come to change it, yes. He won't just adjust it. When there's a shackle, God's gonna bust it. When he did it for me, I could not understand why he did it for me, undeserving as I am. But he did it for me. Now my name is in his book.